Right, so we're going to go about the business of renaming our decimals as percents, and this method we're going to go with a fraction first and then from there go to a percent. Always remember, of course, that percent actually means per 100, or another way of looking at it is out of 100. So let's go and have a go at the first one. So we've got 8.1. So 8.1 over 1 is a very simple renaming as a fraction. I need the denominator to be out of 100 though. So let's move this decimal point one place. So it's now here, not here. Now that jump means that I add a 0. So let's just tidy that up. What does it look like? It looks like this now. I said I needed my denominator to be out of 100. So I can do that simply by multiplying 81 by 10 and 10 by 10. If I multiply 10 by 10, I get 100. If I multiply 81 by 10, I get 810. And this is now out of 100. So the percent, very simply from here, is 810%. Okay, that's one example. Let's try a second example. So here we go. This one here features 1.765, and let's make that into a percent. First step, of course, is we're going to convert that into a fraction. So 1.765 over 1. Okay, so I'm going to put a 0 here, and that means I've jumped over here with my decimal point. So the decimal point is now between the 7 and the 6. I have the denominator of 10, so that's getting closer to what I need. I need 100, so a 0, which means I must jump one more space to here. So the decimal point is now here. So let me just rewrite that. So 176.5 over 100. It's out of 100, so the percent is 176.5%. Let's try one more. So this one we have 32.7. Let's go 32.7 over 1. Great. Now I need this to be out of 100, so multiply by 10. Put a 0 there, multiply by 10 moves the decimal point one place. So the decimal point is now here, not here anymore. But I need to go, and now what have I got? Let's just have a look at what I've got. Tidy it all up. 327 over 10. I do need it to be out of 100, so multiply by 10, multiply by 10. And now it is out of 100, right? So the percentage is 3270%. All done.